Hi, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will continue to develop the floor plan. We will add now the door marker and window marker. So let's just open our file in the library. So open. Let's go to library and we'll open the symbols file. So now we will create door marker. So let's just create a circle and diameter is about 10 mm, and we'll just draw a line in the middle, extend, trim, and let's create text. So this will be a door. This will be for door schedule, door tag. So let's just put a letter D in here. Let's just make this bottom center for justification. Then so this is for door, so let's create so we'll just keep this as D, and in the bottom let's create an attribute, so att, and this one will be number. Let's just say 1. So height is 3. Okay, and this should be 3 as well. So let's change this justification to bottom center, and let's just bring let's just move things. Okay, and let's create a layer. Let's copy this, F2, copy, then new, Control V, so marker, door, so same color. Let's just keep it cyan and assign this to that layer, layer marker door. Then let's convert this to block. Select object, enter, then pick point, it's a middle, and name of the block is marker for door. Then just okay, so we have now a marker for the door. So let's create one more. So let's just copy this circle. So now we will create a marker for window. So let's create a new layer. 2, Control C, new, Control V, marker for window. So let's keep same color, and this one will be assigned to marker window. Then let's just divide this to 6. So we have the point there. In order to see that point, you have to go to, where is it? Home. Forgot. Here, utilities, point style, and change to this. Now you're able to see the points. So let's just create a P line, and join this. Draw a line to these points, and remove that one. Oops. Marker window, and we'll just erase that and draw a line. Then let's just copy this letter. Let's change this to W, because this is for window. Then let's create one more attribute. So ATT. This is for window. So window. Let's say 1 justification, bottom center, Arial. Text height is 3, then OK. Bring it here. Save. Then we'll convert this to block. So block marker window. Select object, then pick here in the middle, then just OK and OK. So we have created 2 tags, one for door and one for window. So let's go to the plan. So let's just click view, then tile vertically. Then we will just grab this and keep pressing the right button and transfer here, then release and copy here. So again, this is very small because this is a scale 1:1. So we'll make this, because our drawing is set to 1:50, so we'll make this, we'll scale this to 50. So just change in the properties, instead of 1, let's change that to 50. So this is the size that, oops, move. Yep. So this is the size for that can fit in scale 1:50. So So let's just bring this over here. So this one is door 1. Size is 1 meter opening. Let's copy here, and this size is 900, so this should be door 2. So just edit text and change to number 2. So this is door 2, and let's again copy over here, and let's check this size. So it's the same, so let's call it D2 as well. But this might change to D2A because this one is exterior and this one is interior. So let's make this D2A. And let's copy again here, and this one I think is smaller, 800, so this will become D3. So edit again and change the number to number 3, and copy again here, and this, let's check the so it's both 800, but this one is interior. So let's change this to 3A. 3A. Okay, so we are done with the door. So let's put this window tag. So 1 here. So window 1 is, we have here window 2. And let's copy again here, and this one is let's wrong, let's change this. So this 1.4, let's make this window 2, and this 1.5 is window 3. And let's just put here one more window here, and the size of this window is 1.2. So this should be the window 1, this window 2, window 3, window 4. Okay, yeah, so that's how easy to create door and window tags. So that's it for now. Till next video, we will continue developing this floor plan. Thanks.